All right, good evening, guys. This is Eric Larson, and I'm proud to announce that Agility iMap is now available for the iPhone, and it's a completely redesigned user interface. It took a very long time, lots of study, and it's totally awesome. I'm just in this video going to show you what it's all about. And before I get started to open up the app, I just want to tell all the European users out there that iMap now does course maps in with meters. So you just go into settings, and you'll see. Well, we have two iMaps because of my development machine, but here, and you just change it to meters, and that's all there is to it. All right, so let's boot up iMap. All right, it comes preloaded with a few courses, and it's not iMap's just not a course designer. It's a complete like course management database system for you. So all the courses you have when you launch iMap will be listed in this table, and we have 5. So you click, and it also shows you a little preview of your map, so you can look for which one that you're trying to find, and it comes with 2 tutorials kind of explaining how to do different things. And I also threw in kind of as an experiment 2 blank ones with obstacles on the sides, which you'll be able to just drag around. But alright, so let's load a course. Alright, here we have a little course. 1, if you want to select an obstacle, you just click on it, and it becomes, there we go, highlighted in red, and then click again, a tap somewhere, and it's unselected. So just select it, and you'll notice a couple things. There's a slider down here, allows you to rotate the obstacle however you want to rotate it. And up here, it also tells you the center coordinates of the obstacle. And if you want to move it around, tap, hold for about a half a second, and you can move the obstacle anywhere you want. You can also zoom in. If you double tap on the map, it zooms into 200%, and you can see everything stays nice and sharp. Double tap again, it goes back to 100%. And you can also do, let's see if I can do this with my digital finger, the pinch in and out with 2 fingers, pinch to zoom in and out. Let's see if I can get this to work. Alright, there we go. So pinch in, and you can zoom in really far. And then once you're zoomed in, you can scroll around. So let's go back here. Let's kind of start from scratch. What you do is hit the plus, you make a new course. Let's say we want it, say 70 by 90. Create. Comes up. This is all the metadata that iMap keeps track of. Like I said, it's not just a designer. It has all this information in a database, and you can do lots of cool things. So you can name your course, demo course. Let me get my finger out of the way here. Give it a file name. This is used when you're exporting the file. Change the date. Nice little. Alright, let's go back. Let's get to the fun part here. So, the interface totally redesigned. You know how to make use of the space that the iPad gives you. And here we go. Here's what we came up with. We have the map. It's all laid out. It fits it into 100% view, whatever the dimensions are. And you want to start. You have up here 3 buttons. Obviously, this is like labels, jump, and obstacles. Now, to select one, you tap it once, and you'll hear a beep, and it becomes highlighted with a little dog paw. Then you tap on the screen. There you go, and you place your obstacle. And let's say we want to rotate it. Tap this guy, rotate it. Alright. You say, well, where are the rest of the obstacles, Eric? This is stupid. Alright, well, here they are. You double tap. And now the middle one toggles between a wing jump and a wingless jump. Because when you're building courses, like, you use tons of jumps. So I've dedicated this button to jumps. Because you'll be using it all the time. Now the other one, you double tap again to change it. Double tap changes, one tap selects it. So we'll do a double tap. The obstacle picker comes up, and here are all your obstacles. All the other ones that are only used typically once per course. Let's select the tire. Now the tire's there, and we put it on the course. Rotate it, double tap again. Let's say we want the chute. Bink. The last thing is the numbers. Works like the other one. You select it, the little dog paw, put a number. Now you can double tap, and you have several choices. You have white numbers with black, and you have black numbers with white. And you have start, S and F to show a start and finish lines. T, yes, this is like a text box where you can type in some text, like this comes up, front, cross, pink. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, and there it is. And it's an obstacle like anything else that you can move around and even rotate. To delete, let's say you put something on here and we don't really want this on here, just trash. It's so simple. Let's say now, if you want to delete that obstacle, you select it and then you hit trash. If no obstacle is selected, and you do that by just pressing on the background anywhere, tapping, hit trash, and then you come up, you can clear your map. It'll delete everything that's on here, or clear the numbers. It'll delete all the numbers on the map. There we go. It took care of this little one that was here. You can load it, which goes back, and so you can modify it and check it out. Clone it. We'll duplicate it. So this is like for making nested courses. Demo course 2. And give this a 2. Change this to open. Go back. And we have too many obstacles for open, so gotta do sort of having trouble with my finger there. We'll delete a couple things. And now we have our open course, or at least that's how some of the AKC judges seem to do it. Alright. Here's some exciting stuff. Email. Add it to your photos album on your iPhone. Email a PNG graphic file. Email a JPEG graphic file. And most exciting and most useful, and more useful than you could even imagine, is email a PDF, ask you the size, and who you. Alright, well, we'll get rid of the finger. Send, iMap sent.